Wow, the airport is so huge today. I am so excited to go to America. I hope my flight goes very smoothly. My passport and ticket are ready. Excuse me, where is the check-in counter? Go straight and take a left, sweetie. You will see counters 20 to 25. Thank you so much for your help. You are welcome. Have a good trip.
Hello. May I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, here they are.
Are you traveling for business or holiday?
It is a holiday. My first trip to America.
That is great. Any checked bags today?
Just one big suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay, is the weight okay?
Uh-huh. It is perfect.
Here is your boarding pass, gate 22. Thank you very much. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you, I am Lucy.
Are you going to America too, Lucy?
Yes, it is my first time. Me too, I am so excited. Which city are you visiting first?
I am visiting the city center first.
That is a great place to start. I think I will get a coffee now.
Good idea. I need something warm too.
Do you travel often, Ben?
Sometimes I love exploring new places.
Me too. That is why I chose America.
Flight 405 to America will begin boarding!
Finally, it is almost time to go.
Are you ready for boarding?
Yes, I hope my seat is comfortable.
Me too. Let's go. May I see your boarding pass? Here you go. Seat 14A. Welcome aboard. Thank you so much. Wow, this plane is so big.
It is. I hope the flight is smooth.
Hi, is this your first long flight? Yes, how about you? It is my first long flight too. I am very excited and a bit nervous. Me too, I hope everything goes well. The cabin crew looks very nice. Would anyone like food or drinks? Yes, food for me, please. I will have some juice, please. Coming right up. Coming right up. Thank you, it looks delicious. Mine looks very good too. Do you travel alone, Lucy? Sometimes, but today is my first solo holiday. That is very brave of you. Thank you, Sarah. Look at the clouds. They are so beautiful. I love flying. The sky is amazing. Yes, it feels like another world. Absolutely. It is so peaceful. Ladies and gentlemen, we are descending now. Please fasten your seatbelts. Look outside! I can see the buildings! Wow, what an amazing view! It is my first time here. I can't wait to explore everything! You will love it, Lucy. We are landing! This is so exciting! The city looks beautiful from above. I hope everything goes smoothly at the airport. I hope my luggage arrives safely. Mine too. Airports can be stressful. Definitely, but also very exciting. Yes, traveling is always fun. I see my suitcase. Oh, finally, I am happy it arrived. Me too, everything went well. Excuse me, is this the line for taxis?
Yes, please wait here. Where are you heading today?
To a hotel in the city center.
Hop in. I will take you there safely.
Thank you, sir. It is so exciting to see the city.
Yes, it is beautiful, especially for first-time visitors.
I can't wait to explore everything.
Oh, you will love it here.
Welcome. Do you have a reservation? Yes, it is under Lucy Smith.
Here is your room key, room 503.
Thank you. Is the elevator near?
Yes, it is right over there.
Great, thank you. Wow, wow, the room is beautiful. The view from the window is amazing. I am ready to start exploring the city. Hello, friends. I am finally in America today. I traveled by plane and everything went smoothly. I am so excited to try new food. Traveling is very exciting. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like. Don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.